Tawa Pulao! Welcome to my channel, Home Cooking Friends. Today is our mouth-watering, a very famous street food of Mumbai, Tawa Pulao. The pulao that is prepared on tawa is known as Tawa Pulao. So let's dive into our journey of street food this time. And do subscribe my channel. All the details of Shankar Pav Bhaji and Tawa Pulao recipes will be in my description box, and also do join me on Instagram at home cooking poonam. Butter, onions, garlic and ginger paste, a garlic and chili spicy paste, and now cutting tomatoes and let it all simmer with the capsicum into it. Then he will add green peas, and then he'll add all kind of Indian spices and masalas, and then he'll add half cooked rice. This tawa pulao is so amazing, so mouth watering, a must have food. So try it at your home and let me know into the comments how did you feel, and is tawa pulao favorite of yours? And this video surely deserves 1000 likes. So down there is a like button, just click into the thumbs up and enjoy this video guys. Thank you.